As you make out your New Year's resolutions, here's an easy one to add to the list: locking your doors.
Did you know that most property and vehicle burglaries are successful due to unlocked doors and windows?
Help reduce your chance of experiencing a burglary or theft by locking your doors, windows, and other access points to your home, businesses, garage, shed, or vehicle.
There are a variety of methods to help you remember.
In Evanston, we use the CLEAR method.
In Glenview, we use the hide, lock, take routine.
In Northfield, we use the 9 p.m. routine.
No matter the method or where you live, the goal is the same: to lock your belongings and help reduce crime.
We wish you a healthy and safe new year, and remember to
Lock your doors, North Shore.